Hey you lovely readers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Read with Megha. How are you all guys doing? I hope you are reading a lot and enhancing your knowledge this week. So today the video is not about any book recommendation or any book review. Until now you might have guessed it right, and so the title as well. The stack of books I used to keep here to shoot the video is not here anymore. I'll tell you why. It was a temporary setup usually that I used to keep for my videos, and it was a tough task for me to get the books here twice or thrice a week from the next room. Though it was from the next room, but arranging them here and then arranging them back was a huge task. So I decided to give my bookshelf a makeover and shift it to a new cabinet as well. So I will show how I did it, and let's dive into the video. And for the starters, I will show you my old bookshelf first, where I used to keep the books, and it was a small cabinet only, but now as the books are increasing, the space was coming short. So this is what my updated bookshelf looks like. I have conquered 3 shelves from this cabinet. The third one is still pretty empty, and on the right side I have kept the packages I have recently received. Will surely unbox it or unpack it really soon. The rest I have set it up quite well, I guess. Do let me know in the comments if you like this setup or you want me to change it a little bit or more than a little bit. So this is my updated bookshelf. I hope you love the journey and love the setup as well. So on the first shelf I have kept here all the hardcovers and all the big thick books. Okay, I love collecting big books. Sometimes I don't read the big books really often, but I love collecting these thick books a lot. In the second shelf here, it is the HP set, Harry Potter box set, and rest are the normal sized books that we usually read. And in the third shelf, I'll summarize in the end, but let's talk about these two shelves first. Here is the book by author Nikita Gill. I read it back in 2019 and it was quite a lovely read. It is a compilation of various and numerous short stories and poems. And here as a decoration I have put a flower. I made it through my hands. I love making these flowers. In the upcoming days I'm planning to make more of these and will definitely put here as a decoration. And here is another lovely book, The Bravest Person I Know. It is also quite lovely book. And here it's a hardcover, How to Heal a Grieving Heart. It's quite a lovely and soothing read. I read it in 2020, and if you're missing someone, and especially any of your dead grandparents or any what do we say, acquaintance or any person you are attached to, then this book can help to recover from that phase. And here is the lovely statue or a lovely Chotu Sa Lord Ganesha. I love to keep it in my bookshelf. It is here for long. Even in my previous bookshelves as well, I used to keep them here only. And here is another decoration piece. So it is quite a good brief of these two shelves. Now the main, not the main, but the miscellaneous section I'll show you now. So angle change. So this is the third and last shelf. This was the second shelf. Now coming to the third shelf. Here are the Amazon book mails that I have recently received. I'm planning to do a specific video of unpacking and unboxing these books. And here is my most loved books. Okay, most loved pre-loved books. Okay, I have gathered in so many years. Most of them, 90% of them are pre-loved, and I have found gems in these books. Okay, and this was the stack that wasn't fitting anywhere, so I put them here. And after I'll unbox these, the books inside these will be on, so I'll be putting here in this stack only. And for that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like the video, comment and share it to your friends. And if you really enjoyed the transition, you can also refer this video if you are also planning to do a bookshelf makeover or a reorganization to your books. Till then, I will meet you guys on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram with the same username, that is Read with Megha. And I will meet you guys in the next video. And thanks for watching. Bye.